To make Malthouse bread you need Malthouse flour, which has those grubby bits, malted wheat flakes. Also some plain bread flour and instant yeast. All of it needs to be mixed together, plus the salt. That's why I use instant yeast for this bread, because it's like mixing dry ingredients at this stage. The only wet ingredient is water at warm room temperature, and then you can let the powerful machine do all the work until the dough is smooth and stretchy. But I want to show you here that I'm not afraid of getting my hands dirty, so I'm going to knead the dough by hand. Anyway, it's a great workout for upper arms. A little kneading, a little bouncing, a little scraping with a dough scraper, all of it for good 20 minutes until we can finally dispatch the dough back into the bowl. For proving, about an hour. See how it rises. Now it's the fun bit after the hard work, shaping the loaf. Basically, you need to roll it up one way, then the other, and then again, just like those puffer coats that keep you warm but fold up to fit in a post-stamp sized case. A lot of flour over the shaped loaf so it doesn't stick to the banneton, which is also floured. You can of course use just a bowl lined with a floured towel. The hat goes on and we're rising again. It's going to bake in one of those, a heavy casserole dish or Dutch oven, super preheated while the loaf is rising just like that. Now you just have to be careful and remove the hot dish from the oven, plonk the bread in, shake it all about, and off it goes to bake. 20 minutes with the lid on and 20 minutes with the lid off. And here it is. It's baked and looks quite lovely, don't you think? Oh, the first slice is always for the baker.